How to convert PDF to Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for I love PDF. This is a free website where you will be able to convert PDF into Word and vice versa. Simply go to PDF to Word, select your PDF file and then upload it. After that, go to upload and then your PDF file will be converted to Word. Next method, go to Word, open your Word application and then simply open a blank document, go to File and then go to Open. After that, try opening a PDF and then it will ask you to convert it into Word. Select Yes and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.